Skateboard. We got Zach Will. Check his YouTube out. What's your YouTube?
Dude.
But yeah. Alright, so we're gonna take this, we're gonna grab this, and just pull it. Yep. I go all the way down there. Like by the bush. No, the far one, all the way down there. Alright, here we go. It's like OD strong? Yeah. You want me to try it though? Sit down on it too, actually. Oh. You okay? We good. It's really strong. Yeah, let's try it again. What happened? It stops. Trying to keep going. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's try it on this first. Yeah, that's what I was thinking we were going to do originally. That's the only chance. Oh. You okay? Oh, shit. Wow. Oh no! Oh! Oh! Time. Oh crap! Go ahead. Keep going. That's incredible. Part one was, I don't know, man. This thing is stronger than it looks. Oh. Go ahead. Come on, what you gonna do? Throw it. I dare you. I'd rather with the camera than the battery. watch the dog turds. They're coming up. There they go, right there. Spotted. Get out of here. Alright. The dog turds are on your right side. Stay to the left. Ready? Yeah. Ow! I'm gonna try like this. Sure? Alright, here we go. Yeah. Okay, that was kind of better.
saw you come up.
Dude.
Here we go. My bad.
I don't know, man. You look old. You look like Unk.
I can't even see.
But tow winch was a success. If you guys get caught off the side of a cliff, I got your back. Oh man, that thing is ridiculously strong.
Yeah.